Hi guys, this is Malika Jolly, a professional makeup artist and hairstylist. Today's tutorial would be about turning a greasy bad hair day into a good one using a dry shampoo and a bit of styling. Most of you already know what a dry shampoo is. However, many a times people use it incorrectly, hence not getting the desired results. I'll be using the Batiste dry shampoo, which in my opinion is one of the best. Washing your hair daily is not recommended because it strips off the natural oil from the hair, thus damaging them. And this is what I use to keep my hair fresh in between washes. You can use this for all types of hair. It's perfect for days when you're short on time in the morning before work, or it comes super handy when you have to head out straight from your gym or your college or office. You could also use this to add a little texture and life to your hair while styling it. I like to use it when I straighten my hair because they're thin and silky and they fall super flat from the top, as you can see. So let's go ahead and see the transformation. I will now divide it into two sections. Start with brushing out the limp greasy hair so that all the oil that is saturated on top is distributed evenly all the way to the bottom. Always shake the bottle before use. Take horizontal sections and then spray generously between them. Begin taking sections from one ear to the center and back down to the other. I will also spray a little at the crown area and also at the nape of the neck. And because I'm looking for additional volume, I'm going to spray a little all over. Now we'll wait for about a minute for the shampoo to completely dry and soak in. It does leave a white cast, but don't worry, we'll get rid of it in the next step. Next, we'll just massage it in with our fingers. And then brush your hair from the roots to the ends. This helps to spread the shampoo evenly. Once that is done, part your hair where you normally would, and as you can see, my hair already looks fresher than ever. You could leave it at this. I will just go ahead and do a quick styling routine to add a little more texture and body. The dry shampoo I used earlier will also help to hold these curls more effectively. I love how just a few sprays can transform your look. Hair feels fresh, clean with improved volume and texture. It smells great too. This product comes in a variety of fragrances and it is surely a must-have. So go and get one for yourself as well. See you soon next time. Today I'm going to show you an amazing anti-frizz mask and serum for the hair which has always worked for me. Today I'll be using the L'Oreal Liz Unlimited Mask and Serum. This range is enriched with pro-keratin which purify the hair and scalp, providing up to 4 days of anti-frizz effect. I have very fine and thin hair, but this still gets super frizzy, so let's get to the application. Apply the mask evenly to shampooed and towel dried hair. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This serum contains oil which gives your hair a long-lasting anti-humidity shield to control your hair and keep it frizz-free. It can be used for thick, unmanageable hair or even straightened hair. It preps your hair for a blow dry when you apply it on damp hair, but you could also use it as a quick fix on dry hair to just give it a little sheen and to tame the frizz down. Use a small amount on towel dried hair, mainly concentrate on lengths and not on the scalp. Leave for 2 minutes for it to get completely absorbed, then brush out and style your hair as usual. You can apply a little at the end for the finishing.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon.